holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait, waking up on Christmas.
We are Sharon and Joe. Welcome to our adventures. We are full-time RVers from New Jersey and are currently exploring the West Coast. In this series, we will be experiencing the Christmas season from Vancouver to California.
We will also be sharing some of our Christmas traditions and making some new ones along the way. We hope you can join us on a quest to see everything the West Coast has to offer this time of year. We will return to our regular content in January. We're doing an Italian wine tasting at a castle. A castle. Castello de Amoroso.
Waiting for our tasting right now, and we're kind of excited. It's beautiful. We're going to explore it, but we came a little late, so we couldn't even take pictures or videotape anything. We had to rush right in
And
here.
we kind of got distracted driving through Napa Valley because it's so beautiful.
Yep. Anyway, we'll show you our tasting.
We are loving our day here at Castello Di Amorosa in Napa Valley, California. We just sampled some of their amazing wines. And what did you think, honey?
It was really good and not as expensive as I thought.
Nope. Fairly
Nope.
reasonable.
The tasting and the tour is pretty expensive. It's $60 a person, and we don't normally spend that kind of money, but this is just for the experience.
We loved it.
So we're going to tour the rest of the castle, and we'll bring you with us.
Stick around.
What sins do you have to tell the priest?
Father, forgive me for I have sinned. I am guilty of excessive travel. This castle was amazing, and the wine equally as amazing.
Yeah, it's definitely a little pricey, but like I said, it's for the experience, and we thought it was worth it.
We loved it.
So definitely check this place out when you're in Napa Valley, and we have more adventures planned. So we'll bring you with us.
See you there.
What do you think?
It's pretty awesome.
Joe didn't cut it very appealing, but not a good cutter. This is going to be interesting. Let us know in the comments below if you've ever had beer canned chicken. Never heard of it before.
It's very moist and flavorful. You can almost taste the maltiness in the meat from the beer. Wow, and that coating is really good. Wow, it's a winner.
Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. Carols and bells, none of them help. I still feel blue. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I don't need a fancy watch. You can give the elves a break. No, you can't make it in the shop. You can't put it on your sleigh. You know me so well that nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. Save the wrapping paper, your ribbon and bow. I don't need that extra stuff. Oh, I just wanna fall in love. Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. You know me so well, and nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. Fall in love. Just wanna fall in love.
We're here today at Francis Ford Coppola Winery, and I say, leave the gun, take the cannoli.
Leave the gun. Take the cannoli.
Napa Valley is so beautiful, especially at Christmas time. Join us next time as we visit Santa Rosa, California, the home of Charlie Brown and Snoopy, for some amazing free Christmas events.
Thanks so much for watching. We love having you along for the adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the Christmas fun. See you next time.